to do is go over kind of cards right now. So you can do this when you go and do the upload and you get to the certain page where it says cards. I think it's the third page now. Or you can go when you already have your video uploaded. So I'm going to do it that way right now. So I've got my video uploaded. I'm going to click on it and then click to edit video. And when I click edit video, uh, this would be like page 1 if you're just uploading it. And then on like page 2 or 3 is this end screen and cards. So what you can do is click on end screen, and I go over this in my other video, but when on the uploading, which you can go to because I'll add a card there for it. But basically, what you can have is right here an option to have a video pop up and a subscribe button. The other thing you can do, and this will happen towards the end of the video, so you can see my video is 5 minutes and 46 seconds long, and it happens right here at the 5:25 mark. So the other thing that you can do is come over to cards, and this is another option. So for instance, the thing that you just saw pop up on here is a card. So what we're going to do is go to a spot in it. So for instance, for this video, I'd go to where I'm mentioning I mentioned the upload one. So that would be like right around here-ish. And I could listen and find for where I'm mentioning it. And then I can go add card. And I can take it from someone else's if I want to cross promote. I could do a poll to ask people. You can only do the link when you get to a certain amount of views and things. And then video or playlist is the one that I'm going to do from me. So I'm going to go with create there. This is going to give me the ability to search my videos. So maybe I want to, this is about rib pain. Maybe I want to have another video about sitting on the rowing machine correct. And I could go click create card, and see that it's going to pop up right there. In this one, so I'm actually going to delete this one. So I'm going to go this one, trash to delete it, because I actually already have a card in here. So I have this one right here because this is where I start to mention it's something else that's relevant. So then you can click save, and then when you're done, there's a different option when you're doing this in the thing where it's up here and you click that. But for me, I'm going to click the back button, which will bring me back. And that is how you add cards and why you add them. And then you just continue on with the cycle. Hope that helps.